Hey, thanks for tuning to the channel. My name is Dave, and I hope you like this content. If you do, please hit the subscribe button down there somewhere and give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel out quite a bit. But today I want to talk about a chair. Whenever you go camping, you should bring a chair with you, and this is a great camping chair, but also carry it almost everywhere I go. There's times you might need a chair to maybe eat some food, stop by in the mountains, and just get a chair and enjoy nature. So I keep it with you almost everywhere I go, and today I want to spend just a couple minutes putting the chair together, taking the chair apart, and some of the things I love about this chair. So stay tuned, we're going to start right now. Okay, here's our nice C chair. Comes in this little case. I'll put the measurements down below. It's very light, it's very compact. It'll fit anywhere on your motorcycle, in your luggage, panniers. It's great. But let's take it apart and see what it looks like. There's three parts to the chair. One part is the head cushion, and we'll put that on in just a minute. We have the frame, and we have the seat chair itself. So the first thing we do is put the frame together. Okay, I don't know how much time it takes to put this chair together, but it doesn't take long at all. And it's sturdy. I think it holds something like 300 pounds. So there's the frame of the chair. Now you take the seat itself. Unravel it. They have these little loops. I'll show in some close-ups there. All the way down, take the chair, and there's the chair. Then you take your cushion for your head, and there's your chair. I like the chair because it's got a tall back to it, and I can step back, put my head back, put my feet up. Super comfortable chair. Cup holders, it takes literally a minute or two to put together. But I think you'll like this chair. The Nike chair has some really great features. It has the cup holders on both sides, bottled water, can of soda pop, whatever you want to put in there. It looks pretty thin, but it's pretty rugged actually. I'll show some close-up, but the looping that the poles stick in is very gnarly tough. It's really, really tough. I think it'll stand the test of time. Plastic unions here. It's, again, you're not going to throw it around, but on a bike to park somewhere and put a chair up, it's really cool. Great chair. Okay, now let's take this chair apart. How long does it take? Take the cushion off. Take the chair off. First thing you want to do is take the frame apart. Again, the first time you do anything, it's more challenging. The more you do it, the easier it gets. And I've probably taken this chair apart 50 times, I don't know. I like to sit down a lot. It's got a Velcro that goes around, but it's pretty, it could be like a little bit longer. Put this in the bag. Take the chair apart. Roll it up real tight. Take your pad. Put it in. There you have it. The nice seat chair. I think you'll like it. Get it, put it on your bike, and you'll use it a lot. Hey, thanks for watching, and remember, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Ride safe, see you soon.